Finding the perfect holiday gift for a homeowner can be challenging. You want something practical that makes daily life easier, but also brings joy and comfort to their living space. With countless options flooding the market, choosing gifts that offer real value takes time and research. Here's our top 5 selection of home-focused holiday gifts, tested and evaluated for actual usefulness. Check the description below for product links and current prices. Let's dive in. At number 5, the Amazon Smart Thermostat. This device promises energy savings and convenient temperature control through Alexa integration. The installation process stands out for its simplicity, with clear app guidance that most homeowners can follow without professional help. The interface keeps things straightforward, letting you adjust temperatures manually or set automated schedules. According to EPA estimates, it can save around $50 yearly on energy bills. The compatibility with Echo devices as temperature sensors helps manage hot and cold spots throughout the house. However, several issues need attention. The thermostat requires a C-wire or adapter for installation, which isn't clearly mentioned in marketing materials. Some users report connectivity drops, requiring frequent system resets. The Alexa-only compatibility limits its use for Google Home or Apple HomeKit users. Things to consider. Before purchasing, check your existing HVAC system compatibility and home's wiring setup. If you're not already invested in the Alexa ecosystem, other smart thermostats might serve you better. The energy savings take time to offset the initial investment, so factor this into your gift-giving decision. Coming in fourth is the Creuset Stoneware Rectangular Dish. This classic bakeware piece brings durability and versatility to any kitchen. The stoneware construction maintains even heating, preventing hot spots that can burn food. Its glazed surface actually works well for food release, making cleanup less of a hassle. The thermal resistance impresses. You can take it straight from freezer to oven, and it's safe for the microwave, broiler, and dishwasher. The exterior enamel holds up against scratches and stains, maintaining its appearance over time. Each dish comes with that distinctive Le Creuset quality feel. Still, there are drawbacks to consider. The price point sits significantly higher than similar bakeware options. The dish's weight might surprise some users. It's substantially heavier than typical glass or ceramic alternatives. Some recipients might find the limited color options disappointing. Things to consider. While the quality justifies the investment for serious cooks, casual home chefs might not appreciate the premium features enough to warrant the cost. Think about the recipient's cooking habits and kitchen storage space before selecting this as a gift. The CALOTO Vacuum Sealer Machine takes third place. This kitchen tool helps extend food freshness and organize freezer storage. The automatic sealing system makes operations simple, even for first-time users. Its compact size doesn't demand much counter or cabinet space. The machine seals both dry and moist foods effectively, and the suction power proves adequate for most household needs. The included bags get the job done, though you'll need to purchase replacements eventually. The control panel layout makes sense, reducing the learning curve for new users. But it's not without flaws. The seal width runs narrower than some competitors, which might affect long-term storage reliability. Some users report inconsistent sealing strength, especially after repeated use. The plastic construction feels less durable than you might expect for a kitchen appliance. Things to consider. Factor in the ongoing cost of replacement bags when evaluating this gift's value. While it performs basic sealing tasks well, heavy users might outgrow its capabilities. Consider the recipient's food storage habits and whether they'd use it enough to justify another appliance in their kitchen. The Terraflame S'mores Tabletop Fire Bowl claims our second spot. This indoor-outdoor entertaining piece brings the campfire experience home without smoke or mess. The clean-burning gel fuel creates authentic-looking flames that actually crackle, adding atmosphere to gatherings. The complete gift set includes thoughtful touches. The fire bowl, bamboo tray lid, serving tray, and recipe book provide everything needed except the s'mores ingredients and skewers. The 3-hour burn time per fuel can allow for extended enjoyment. The design looks attractive enough to display as a decorative piece when not in use. Yet certain limitations exist. The gel fuel cans add an ongoing cost, and finding replacements might prove challenging in some areas. The flame size stays relatively modest. Don't expect traditional campfire drama. The bamboo components require careful handling to prevent water damage. Things to consider. This gift works best for recipients who entertain regularly or have families with children. The novelty might wear off quickly for others, leaving them with another decorative item to store. Consider the recipient's entertaining style and outdoor space access before choosing this as a holiday gift. The best holiday gift for homeowners is the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. This smart speaker earns its top ranking through genuine improvements in sound quality and practical home management features. The clearer vocals and enhanced bass make it more than just a smart home controller. It's a legitimate speaker for everyday music and podcast enjoyment. The built-in temperature sensor adds real value, letting you create automated routines for comfort and energy savings. Voice control for smart home devices works reliably, and the tap-to-snooze feature shows attention to user convenience. Privacy controls, including a physical microphone off button, help address common smart device concerns. However, some aspects need improvement. The built-in speaker, while better than previous versions, still won't satisfy audiophiles. Some users report occasional Alexa response delays and Wi-Fi connectivity hiccups. The full feature set really requires subscription services to unlock. Things to consider. While this makes an excellent hub for smart home beginners, verify the recipient's existing smart home ecosystem before purchasing. The Echo Dot works best within Amazon's environment. If they're already using Google or Apple products, consider alternatives. Remember that smart devices sometimes require more technical support than traditional gifts. These gifts can enhance any home, but remember to consider the recipient's specific needs and technical comfort level. Like and subscribe for more home improvement recommendations. Check the description for current prices and purchase links.